This brief video will show how to start the XAMPP server, including a web server and a database server. Both are required for database access, as we'll be using a web-based front end that's included in the XAMPP distribution for our coursework. Start by opening up your USB pen drive, like by opening on My Computers and then choosing your USB drive. Now, I have installed it on my C drive. You'll find a folder here called XAMPP Lite on your pen drive. Double click on it and you'll see a lot of folders and icons. There's one down here towards the bottom that's called XAMPP-control.exe. What that does is that brings up the control screen where we can start, stop, and configure XAMPP, and we'll be doing everything we'll be doing with it. So double click on that XAMPP control panel and the XAMPP control panel comes up. Here at this point we need to start Apache. Apache is the web server and MySQL is the database server. So I'm going to say Start Apache, and then I'm going to click on Start MySQL, and all that you get is this little indication here in green that they are running. That says that everything's installed, everything's up and working. At this point you have a database and a web server up and running on your PC. To administer and to start working with MySQL and to start working with the database, all you have to do is click on the admin button out beside MySQL, and I'm going to tap on admin. Admin opens up a web browser window. Let's just drag this somewhere. Let's just drag this over here where it's out of the way. There we go. So when you tap on the admin, you're brought into a program called PHP-MyAdmin that will allow us to create new databases, enter SQL statements, and do lots of other things with our MySQL database. When we are complete, when we're done, just close the web browser. Now, because we have a database server running, we need to shut the database server down and the web server down. Before you pull out your USB, if you pull it out before you shut everything down, you risk data loss, and I don't want that to happen to you. So hit stop to MySQL and then hit stop on Apache, and in just a moment you'll see that the running statuses are going to disappear on both MySQL and Apache. There we go. So now they're shut down and everything has been saved to your USB drive, and we can then exit from the XAMPP control panel and extract your USB drive from, or go through the normal process of extracting your USB drive from your computer. So we've gone through starting XAMPP, starting the server for Apache and MySQL, opening up the MySQL admin page, and then closing everything up.